Think you know your way around a vegetable garden? Prepare to have your botanical mind blown. We've gathered 25 gardening facts that defy logic, starting with the first 5 that will change how you look at the produce aisle forever. From toxic nightshades to identity crisis fruits, the plant kingdom is full of bizarre quirks and scientific surprises. Let's dig right into fact number 1. Fact number 1 is that potatoes grow toxic berries above the ground. Potato plants occasionally produce small green fruits resembling cherry tomatoes, but don't eat them. They are packed with solanine, a toxic alkaloid that can cause serious illness. Fact number 2. Botanically speaking, strawberries aren't berries at all, but bananas actually are. It's true. Berries develop from a flower with a single ovary, making bananas, grapes, and even eggplants the real berries of the world. Fact number 3. Avocados will never ripen on the tree. They can stay attached and perfectly preserved for months. The ripening process only begins after they are harvested, acting as a built-in natural storage system for farmers. Fact number 4. When you eat a potato, you're eating a stem, not a root. The edible part is a tuber, which is actually a swollen, modified underground stem designed to store energy for the plant, complete with the nodes we call eyes. Fact number 5. Sweet potatoes and regular potatoes are completely unrelated. While regular potatoes are part of the nightshade family, along with tomatoes, sweet potatoes belong to the morning glory family. Different plants entirely. Carrots are biennials. The plant is built to live 2 full growing seasons, not 1. Leave a carrot in the ground past its first year, and it won't just sit there. In year 2, it sends up a tall flower stalk and produces thousands of seeds instead of a bigger root. Onions actually tell you when they're finished growing. Once the tops fall over on their own and start drying out, the bulb has stopped putting on size. That's your signal to pull them. Not many vegetables announce their own harvest date instead of leaving you to guess. Garlic is one of the only crops gardeners plant in fall instead of spring. It goes into the ground before winter on purpose, sits in frozen soil for months, and that cold stretch is exactly what triggers it to split into separate cloves the following summer. Radishes grow faster than almost anything else in the garden. Some varieties are ready to pull in about 25 to 30 days from seed. That's fast enough to fit a second or third round into the same session. Cutting the main head of a broccoli plant doesn't mean it's finished. Smaller side shoots keep forming along the stem for weeks. So one plant can keep feeding you well past that first big harvest. That's one plant giving you a second chance. But the next 5 get a lot more visual, and one of them lets a single plant build itself an entire second root system out of thin air. We're at the halfway point. One zucchini plant can produce enough for an entire family on its own, which is exactly why new gardeners who plant 6 or 8 almost always end up buried in zucchini by midsummer before they know what hit them. Let lettuce grow past its usual harvest window, and it doesn't just turn bitter, it bolts into a flower stalk that can climb several feet, with some varieties shooting up faster than almost anything else in the bed. Once that happens, the plant stops putting energy into the leaves and pours everything into that stalk. This is the one I teased at the start. Tomatoes can grow roots along the entire length of a buried stem. Bury 2/3 of a tomato seedling on its side, and every one of those little hairs running up the stem can turn into the actual root, building a stronger, more stable plant than one planted upright. Those same tomato flowers can pollinate themselves without any help, since each one already holds both male and female parts. All it takes is a little vibration, wind moving through the plant, or a bee's wings buzzing against the flower, and pollen shakes loose inside. Cucumbers start out as flowers. The bloom doesn't fall away first, it transforms directly into fruit, swelling and lengthening right where the flower used to be. And cucumbers belong to a much bigger family than most people realize, which is where the next 5 go, right before the strangest stretch on the whole list. Pumpkins and cucumbers are cousins, along with squash, zucchini, melons, and gourds, all in the same plant family. That's why different varieties can cross-pollinate if they're grown too close together, which is how gardeners sometimes end up with a squash that looks nothing like what they planted. Corn isn't pollinated by bees at all. It relies entirely on wind. That's the real reason corn gets planted in blocks instead of one long row. A block gives pollen a much better chance of drifting onto nearby stalks instead of blowing off into empty space. A single skinny row out in the open often ends up with patchy, half-formed ears simply because too much of that pollen never lands where it needs to be. Green bell peppers are just unripe peppers, not their own separate variety. Left on the plant long enough, that same pepper can turn red, yellow, orange, chocolate, or even purple, depending on which variety you're growing. Here's the one I promised you back at the start. Peanuts flower above ground, but the peanuts themselves develop under the ground. After a flower is pollinated, a stem called a peg pushes straight down into the soil, and the peanut forms at its tip once that peg reaches under the surface. You've eaten these your whole life, and almost certainly never pictured them growing this way. Basil actually grows bushier the more you cut it, as long as you cut in the right spot. Pinch just above a pair of leaves and the plant branches into 2 new stems instead of shooting straight up from one point. Basil rewarding you for cutting it is a nice, calm note because the last 5 get strange fast. And number 21 is where most people stop and go, wait, that's one flower? 5 facts left, and these are the ones worth waiting for. A sunflower isn't one flower, it's hundreds, sometimes thousands packed into a single head. What looks like one bloom is actually made up of many individual florets, each one capable of producing its own seed. That's why a single dried sunflower head can hand you a jar full of seeds by the end of the season. Every one of those florets was quietly doing its own job the whole time. A pineapple plant only produces one main fruit at a time, not a cluster like you'd expect. After that single pineapple is harvested, the plant sends out smaller offshoots called pups, and those pups carry the cycle into the next round. Back in fact 1, a banana turned out to be a berry. Here's the other half of that. The banana plant is also botanically an herb, the biggest one on Earth. That thick stalk everyone assumes is a trunk isn't wood at all. It's tightly wrapped leaf bases stacked on top of each other, with no wood anywhere inside it. And the bananas you buy? Nearly every one is a clone of the same seedless variety, grown from pups instead of seed, which sets up the very next fact perfectly. Apple seeds don't grow into the same apple they came from. Plant a seed from a Honeycrisp and the tree that grows almost certainly won't produce Honeycrisp apples. That's why every apple variety you've ever bought was grafted onto rootstock instead of grown from seed. The only way to guarantee you get the same apple twice, and the one I've been pointing you toward since the start. A well-kept asparagus bed can often keep producing spears for 15 to 25 years. And with the right care, some beds push well past 30. Plant it once and it can outlast a car, a roof, or several other things in your yard. You'll replace long before that asparagus bed ever slows down. Out of all 25, the asparagus bed may be the one that's most worth remembering. The rare plant you set up once, and it keeps paying you back for decades. If one of these caught you off guard, drop it in the comments and tell us which fact got you. Was it the peanuts growing underground? The sunflower that's secretly 1,000 flowers? We read every one.